Hi everyone, welcome to EduTech Education Through Technology YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your virtual presentation into next level. Due to the present condition, everyone are taking online session, particularly teachers are fully depends on virtual classroom. If you are using Team or Microsoft Meeting, you find difficulty to share your screen and switch between windows. I'll show you how quickly you can switch between the windows and applications and make your presentation into effective manner. Let's start. Here I'm using Windows 10 operating system and Microsoft 365 products in my demonstration. Here for demo purpose, I have taken Microsoft Team meeting. Now I am in the image window. Once I done my introduction, I can close my image window. I can open my PowerPoint presentation. I can start deliver my lecture. The five important aspects in virtual classroom is listed below. The first one is technology. Select the technology, learn the technology where you are going to share your online section. The next one, prepare a course outline and notes of lesson for your subject. Once you're done with your course outline, you start your theoretical explanation with a live feed and discuss with your students. Then quickly you jump to practical demonstration with real-time examples. And finally, you can discuss the question and answer, do live quiz and share your notes and collect the feedback section. Once you're done with your course outline, you can minimize the PowerPoint presentation. You can open your images and start discussing with your students. Once you are done your discussion, minimize your window, open the browser and show the live feed to your students. Simultaneously, you can switch over to the video tutorial and you can play the video to your students.
Chandrayaan 2 is India's second lunar exploration mission.
Once you've done your introduction and course outline, you can quickly jump to your theoretical section. Here I'm using a sample Microsoft presentation. During the slideshow mode, if you want to get the audience focus on you, you can change your screen into white or you can change the screen into black. Here you can tell the stories and bring your audience focus on you. You can change the mouse pointer into pen and you can start right on your screen. You can erase the same. You can bring the pointer into arrow. You can change the mouse pointer into highlighter. You can highlight certain portion of your screen. You can erase the same. You can bring back your arrow back. You can change the mouse pointer as a laser pointer. You can highlight the important points in your discussion. You can do zoom in and zoom out and you complete your theoretical explanation with your students. Once you've done your theoretical explanation, quickly you can jump to your practical demonstration. Here I am using for demo purpose image in the left hand side, video tutorial in the right hand side. You can play the video. Simultaneously, you can run your images and you can start explaining to your students.
As I explained, this is a new version of the robot. It's a new version that we released last month with improvement.
Once you've done your practical demonstration, quickly you can move on to question and answer section. Here I have Excel sheet which generates the student name randomly. You put your class student's name and type the number of students to be randomly select. Automatically you generate the student name randomly. You call out those students and start interacting with them. Once you've done your question and answer, you can minimize the screen. You can open your PowerPoint section. You can start doing your online quiz and poll. And finally, you can share your notes to your students. You can get the feedback. You can collect the feedback from the students. I hope you like this video. If you want to know how to set up this, take your camera, scan the QR code on the screen and fill up the form. Or link is given in the description. Fill up the form. I'll reach out to you soon. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.